The Maasai Mara is one of the world's most evocative wildernesses. Floating above the river and plains at sunrise is an experience that feeds the soul. Hanging silent at the mercy of the wind, the extent of this natural wonder sprawls boundless in all directions. From the ceaseless twists of the Mara River to the verdant forests on its banks, then further to the red oak grass plains that support the abundant herds. From the air, the drama that is the Mara plays out on an epic scale. The bird's eye view shows the enduring will of prey, and the never-ending tenacity of predators. Life and death, captured from above.